This 1955 Chevy at Dana Mecum's 37th original spring classic is a very special and shiny piece, harkening to a major milestone in General Motors history. On November 23, 1954, the brand assembled its 50 millionth automobile, a 55 Bel Air sports coupe. To set it apart, it was painted gold and received gold plating, along with two other cars that assisted in promo work. Unfortunately, two of these iconic cars have since disappeared, with the third destroyed in a garage fire. That makes this glistening, no expense spared replica the closest chance many will have to seeing to how these special cars would have looked in all their golden splendor. This ambitious tribute project, completed just in January, was undertaken by Real Deal Steel, Snodgrass Chevy Restorations, and historian Steve Blades. They set out to replicate that 50 millionth example, with this car featuring a new reproduction body and frame, and to mirror the original as closely as possible, it includes many parts dated from the fall of 1954. Under the hood, it's powered by a 265 cubic inch V8 paired to a 2-speed Powerglide transmission. For the one-of-a-kind looks, the vehicle shines in 5.5 gallons of custom tribute gold paint, costing $1,200 per gallon, with all stainless and chrome components being plated in 24 karat gold, covering components like the bumpers, wheel covers, window cranks, and door latches. This glimmering recreation made its first public appearance at the 71st annual Detroit Autorama and was later showcased at the 61st annual Chicago World of Wheels. There in the Windy City, it clinched a variety of awards and has since been featured in numerous media spotlights and magazine stories. There's a lot of shoebox Chevys, but perhaps none as spectacular as this stunning replica. It's a golden opportunity for bidders when it crosses the auction block.